Welcome back, everybody. This is John here with Hankster's Hot Rods, once again here in our Homer City, Pennsylvania location. And today we are going to go over another addition to our inventory, and that's going to be this 1993 GMC Typhoon here that we're looking at. Now, this vehicle back in '93 was very sought after commodity here in like the little like sporty type SUV type models, and even more so today. Just for the simple fact that you just can't get a vehicle quite like this anymore. So again, with this Typhoon, you've got the white exterior. It's got obviously that Typhoon body kit on it. As far as the driveline, that's what made this vehicle very sought after. It does have a 4.3 liter V6. It's a fuel injected turbocharged motor. It's throttle body injection, but you know, for back then, that was, you know, the going thing. It's also got the 4L60E automatic transmission, 10-bolt rear in there, 342 gear, and in fact, this vehicle was all-wheel drive too. So again, all of those things made this vehicle very sought after back then. Obviously, with this vehicle, we are sitting on factory 16-inch aluminum wheels. And they've got very good tires on here. We've got BF Goodrich tires. These are 245/50 R16s. Again, just a little bit wider tire to give you a little bit better grip there. Again, you're going to have a little bit of extra power in this vehicle because of the fact of it being turbocharged. As we work our way back, of course, like looking at all of the body cladding as far as that, the ground effects and so forth. You do have dual mirrors here on the vehicle, and these are adjustable inside by remote. It's right in the center of your dash to get to it. You can see all the glass on this vehicle here, all tinted here, the side glass and the doors, as well as the side glass here back on the rear section of the vehicle. No chips, cracks, or scratches on any of this glass right here. And you can see they have gone ahead and added the vent visors here to keep any kind of rain out of there whenever you're traveling during the rain. Let's go ahead inside, take a look at the interior. First and foremost, this is kind of like a two-tone interior with the dash, but it is a like a dark gray or charcoal upholstery in it on the front bucket seats, the rear seats as well. And then of course on the dash and some of the trim work on the doors, you will see it's a little bit lighter gray, but that is the way this vehicle came from the factory. Now again, as far as the dash goes, you've got all the original factory gauges. The only thing that's not factory as far as the gauges go are the two gauges that you see on the A pillar there for your air fuel and your boost and so forth. But as far as all your dash gauges, those are the factory gauges. Tilt steering column on this vehicle. You do have an aftermarket AM/FM CD player. You also have the center console there with the automatic shifter there in the floor. You also have the console, the overhead console there up above you as well. Factory steering wheel in this car. It's got all the seat belts, and then of course it's got power windows and power door locks on here as well. So that is pretty much the interior. It looks great. There's no rips or tears anywhere. And again, all your seals and so forth are all in very nice condition. Now again, I'm not sure if I mentioned it. This is the original paint for this vehicle. So not a repaint and no color changes here. This is the paint from the factory right here. Of course, you've got your fuel door right here. As we come around to the back side of the vehicle, again, along with all the ground effects and so forth, the body kit that's on this, you've got the color matched bumpers as well. All the Typhoon decals here in gold, along with the GMC truck over there. Tinted rear glass here in the rear hatch, and it does have the rear defrost as well as the rear wiper also. So again, you're going to be able to see out the back of this vehicle very easy, no matter, you know, what the weather and so forth. So let's go ahead and open this up back here. Now you do have to have the key in here, and then once you have the key there, we can go ahead and get all of this opened up. So you twist it one way, it opens up your glass. You twist it the other way. Of course, that's going to open up your rear tailgate. And then if we look inside here, you can see how nice and clean this whole entire vehicle is. You do have a spare tire here with the cover. You've got the floor mats here. And then if you also look over there, it looks like you have a, that's the factory jail audio subwoofer there to go along with the stereo system in this vehicle. Again, you get to see the backs of the seats and so forth from this angle. Again, just a very clean looking vehicle back here. We'll go ahead and close everything up here. Take the key out. And again, that all shuts up very nice. Again, all your taillight lenses and so forth all looking to be in great shape on this vehicle. Paint, again, the whole way around, nice and smooth, shiny. I really don't see any imperfections in this vehicle. Again, for a 93 and being the original paint, this is an extremely nice condition here. Not only is it the original paint, these are the original miles for this vehicle too. We're looking at about 79,000 for the miles here on the odometer. And then as we look at the interior from the passenger side, again, you'll just kind of take in the fact that, you know, you're not seeing any kind of rips or tears or fading in any of the carpet. I mean, the whole interior just looks phenomenal for a 1993 here. Again, this thing was very well taken care of, as you can see. We'll go ahead and close this side up, and then we'll just work our way around to the front of the vehicle. Of course, you got your antenna here on the fender, and then as we get to the front, again, you're gonna see that you do have, again, that color-matched front bumper, color-matched grille here also, all of which are in excellent shape. You do have the projection headlights on this vehicle, so you're going to be able to see very clear at night whenever the conditions are dark. Of course, you've got the clear lenses on your turn signals and on your driving lights and so forth as well. This is the steel hood. As we go back and look a little further here, we can see the windshield too on this vehicle. Of course, you've got the eyebrow here with the tint, and then you've got the gold Typhoon across there as well. Windshield wipers and everything, wiper arms are in great shape. The glass up front here, that's in great shape too. I will say though, there is one small chip on the windshield. So other than that, everything looks good. All of your moldings around the windows and so forth, all in great shape. While we're here at the front, I do want to open that hood up and we'll take a look at the engine here. So with the hood open, we're going to take a look at that 4.3 liter V6 motor, fuel injected, turbocharged. Now the hood does utilize a hood prop rod, so we'll get that up here. There we go. All right, so like I said, 4.3 liter V6. This is throttle body injection, turbocharged motor. You can see all your piping, the turbos right down there. Factory air conditioning on this motor, on this vehicle as well. So all of that's all hooked up and functioning. Power brakes, power steering. The brakes are disc brakes up front, drums on the rear, and it does have the factory Garrett intercooler on this thing as well to keep everything functioning correctly there with that turbo. As far as, like I said, is the transmission, it's the 4L60E automatic transmission with that 10-bolt rear, 342 gear, if I didn't mention that already. And again, all-wheel drive for this vehicle. Again, as you can see, very clean car. Like I said, original paint. It's got a clean Carfax, and the miles are showing up as original miles at around 79,000. Again, this thing is very, very nice. So with that said, we've been all the way around our Typhoon here. If you have any questions at all after this video, I always recommend that you go to our website, www.hanksters.com. Take a look at that, the video and the vehicle on our website. You're going to get upwards of about 100 photos on this vehicle here, inside, outside, underneath, all of that. You're going to get a full description on this car too, telling you exactly everything that we've gone over and probably more so. So again, if you still have questions after that, definitely reach out to us here at Hanksters. Get a hold of our salesman. He'll be glad to help you out with any questions you might have. With that, again, at the full retail, you're going to, once again, receive enclosed shipping to anywhere within the contiguous 48 states. And you're also going to get that Hankster's 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty with this. So like I said, if you have any questions after the video, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you out.